Hi there, welcome to Imran kitchen. Today's recipe is Murgh Malai Tikka with the bone. So first we'll do some make the mixture for the marination. So I'll show you how to mix it and also quantity. So this is like a 2-inch ginger fresh and 5 clove ginger fresh and 2 tablespoon lemon juice I already squeezed the fresh one and 7 green chili. So we'll put all together in the jar, and also we have to add the cashew. This is half cup of cashew. I already soak it for the 2 hours and I already strain and wash it completely nicely. So you see this one is not grinding properly because there is a cashew also. So all we need to add some milk. We don't have to add any water. This is like a half cup milk. So paste is ready. So I have to bring it down on the bowl. So this is ready. Basically I have to first cut the chicken. So I'll show you how to cut the chicken. This is like a 4 chicken and good size, and I already cleaned all the fats. Fat has to be removed from there, otherwise when you cook in the oven it will be burned and it will look black. So we'll cut like this, little bit deep cut, like a half-inch gap. And this is the most important things in the joint, so you need to cut it, otherwise it will not cook properly inside. And also we'll cut from here like a round shape, and also we'll cut from here also because there is a muscles, so there is a tense, so I have to cut this one, this muscles. Okay, now we have to cut little bit on the bottom also. The chicken is already cut, so now I'll do the fast marination. So I'll put 2 tablespoon oil, vegetable oil, and also half teaspoon salt. So later I will use another teaspoon salt. So we'll mix it well. So we'll cover it and we'll leave it for at least half an hour. So this is the main marination, so we'll start the marination. So this is a half cup of whipping cream, full whipping cream, full cream, and this is like a half cup of cream cheese, and this is half cup yogurt. Yogurt has to be a little bit thicker, not runny one, or otherwise you can use sour cream, that is also good result. So today I don't have available for the sour cream, so you can use it. This is all the masala. So this is 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt, and quarter teaspoon cardamom seeds powder, and also half teaspoon methi leaves powder, and also half teaspoon the white pepper and pinch of the saffron. So we'll put all together. So now we'll mix it. So this is the final marination. So we'll put it together. So we'll mix it. So final marination is ready. So now I have to keep it at least 2 hours for the rest. Then after that 2 hours I will start the cooking. So marination is ready. Now we will start the put the chicken in the square. So now you can see how it looks like chicken. We'll put the skewer go all the way down and goes to the edge of the leg like this. Then take some marination and put move. If it stays like a marination is moved from the chicken, then I have to put some on top. Keep it like this. The next one will be same. Just mix it. Then take it like this. Start from this side and go all the way to the this side is little bit harder, so it will be hold properly. So I already preheated the oven for the 180 degrees Celsius. So I already preheated. So now I will put the chicken inside. Okay. So we'll cook like a 45 minutes to 1 hour because this is little bit big size, and we'll see you after 45 minutes, and after like a 15 minutes I will show something. So after 15 minutes you have to bring it tray a little bit outside. Now you can put some oil on top, or if you like you can use butter also. So that way the chicken keep moisture. Now you can see it start coloring on top. So every like a 30 minutes you can check if it's too dry, then you can put some oil on top, then put it back again. So after 30 minutes we'll see how its condition. So we'll bring the tray out. Now you can see it start cooking and roasting on top. So we'll put some oil on top, then after that I will flip it. It has been cooking for the last 1 hour 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes I put in the broil mode because it is little bit bigger. It's ready now. I have to turn off the gas. You can see. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen. Hopefully enjoy this recipe. See you in next video. Thank you.